Soham Soham, Soham Shivoham, Soham Soham, Soham Shivoham.
Soham Soham, Soham Shivoham, Soham Soham, Soham Shivoham.
I am that I am, I am that I am, I am that I am, immortal self I am.
I am that I am, I am that I am, I am that I am, immortal self I am.
I'm neither body nor mind, immortal self I am. I'm neither body nor mind, immortal self I am.
I'm neither body nor mind, immortal self I am. I'm neither body nor mind, immortal self I am.
I am not this body is not mine. I am not this mind is not mine.
I am not this body is not mine. I am not this mind is not mine.
I am not this prana is not mine. I am not these senses are not mine.
I am not this prana is not mine. I am not these senses are not mine.
I am not this intellect is not mine. I am not the emotion, these emotions are not mine.
I am not this intellect is not mine. I am not these emotions are not mine.
Soham Soham, Soham Shivoham, Soham Soham, Soham Shivoham.
Soham Soham, Soham Shivoham, Soham Soham, Soham Shivoham.
So this is a typical song of Jnana Yoga meditation by negating all that which I am not. What remains at the end is what I am. This is somehow actually pretty clear and straightforward, the song, but then sometimes I feel after one line, the enthusiasm goes a little down. The next line is maybe people saying just we are being polite. And at the end, when it's I'm not the intellect, I'm not the emotion. This and then the whole thing, and then Soham at the end is okay. What's happening here? Do we really understand the line, or is there maybe a subtle misunderstanding? It's like pretty straightforward, no? I am not this body. There's I, there's am, and there's body. There's three things: I, and am, and body. And then it's negated, cross. No? The word not is there. I am not the body. This is what the sentence is. Not more, not less. I am body, and then there is a cross. Negation, not. To which word does this crossing out relate? Are we crossing out? We have three possibilities. I am body. What am I crossing out? I am body. Okay, crossing out body. Nobody. I'm nobody. I'm not a body. Not body, no. Intellect, no. Emotions, no. Senses, no. So no wonder that the mood goes down. And it's not what We do yoga. Look, first we do all these asanas, take care of the body, and eat Swami Karunananda's snack and feel great. And then today it was Mira's snack. Okay, good. What we eat, and and then the evening we say body no. So there's something. This is not something. I don't think it's that one that we cross out. There are two more choices now. I am body, body. No, that's not it. So I am. So which one you want to cross out? Because it says not here, not. So which one you want to cross out? You don't feel like crossing anymore. So let's cross the I. No more I. It's not possible because the whole idea is who am, who am I. So the I is important. So what else? Is that just that middle word we can cross now? I, and then am. No more. Am means to be, no? To be. So it is to be, not to be. So we are crossing out the existence itself. See, something is right, but something is also not so clear then if you look at it. So here comes in the being, being. Body is what I have. Soul is what I am. Is that okay? Body is what I have. Body is not what I am. Body is what I have. It's the idea that body and me is the same. I am that. Body and me is the same. But it cannot be because body is what I have. The only thing that I am is soul or the self or Atman or I am that I am. Here it is very Vedantic. It doesn't say even what you are. It says, I am that I am. Just existence, existence, existence. So, but this comparison with having makes it a little more clear. Body is what I have. Self is what I am. Mind is what I have. And then there's no need to be said, you know. You're not crossing out the I, you're not crossing out the body. It's trying to figure out this being. My real being cannot be defined by just body. My real being is so much more. My real being is so much more than just these thought waves, talking like a frog from morning to evening, etc. This is what is meant here. And that way, it's a very beautiful song. But we don't need to sing more. It is there. Swami Shivananda sang it a lot, apparently. We'll sing it again towards the end of the course. And so let's just sing that soham part a little bit. That is it. That word soham. Aham means I am. And soham means I am that I am. I am that I am. The word Shiva, Shivoham here, Shiva, you studied the Tantra philosophy, Shiva and Shakti. Remember these two words? Then in that Shiva Shakti, Shiva is the same then Brahman, no, the absolute. So I am the absolute Soham. We sing a different one. Shivoham, 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 Soham. It says more often so Shiva. It's easy. It's just a very nice melody, and you can just meditate on that pure being which you studied today, no? Satchidananda. Shivoham, 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 Soham, Satchit Ananda Svarupoham. So the words are clear for most of the TDCs. Shivoham, Shivoham, I am Shiva or the Absolute. Soham, I am that I am. Sat, Chit, Ananda, existence, knowledge, bliss. Svarupoham. Svarupa means my essence. That's what I really am. Shivoham, 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 Soham, Satchit Ananda Svarupoham. Shivoham, 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 Soham, Satchidananda Swarupoham Shivoham 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 Soham 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 Satchidananda Swarupoham